writing start from "su," the vertical stroke. "Su," 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 "su." So the second one is "丨凨冂." This one is "丨凭冂,丨凭冂,丨凭冂." This one we added one line at the bottom to form this. This one we added one line at the middle and another one line at the bottom. These 5 characters all start with "su." With these 5 characters, we can form several words like "丨帨冂" and "丨帨冂." This one. And this one, "丨凭冂冂." This another one is "丨凭冂," "丨凭冂凭," "丨." Yeah, this composed with this and this. The last one is this. So these 5 characters and 4 words, all of them start writing from "su." Start writing from "su."